Hey guys, Tom here, Pernstar channel, build blog S550. Today it's time to get closer to event ready, and since no lift is available so we can't work on the suspension, we're just going to spend some time on ripping all the interior stuff out that we won't need. So yeah, just a quick time lapse. It's just amazing how much useless garbage there is in a production car. Most of it's gone now. Still a few things left, but this is a good start. The headliner is still in the car for now, because in order to take those side trim panels off and take the headliner off, you need to remove the seat belts. And for the first test run on this car, I'm actually going to run stock seats. So this is as far as we're taking this today. You never know what all you might find when you actually got out a car. In this case, a bunch of pocket change, Allen wrench, you know, random little things. And an entertaining little time capsule right here. Apparently, somebody put $20 worth of gas into this car in Texas in 2018, almost exactly 3 years ago. And since everybody loves complaining about the gas prices so much, dun dun dun, it's literally the exact same as it is today. Didn't say it earlier, but naturally we're out here at Champsport again, doing all the deeds to the Mustang. And I figured you guys might appreciate this. So the rear seats of the car, they're not going to waste. They are going into Chad's extremely sick Coyote powered E46. So this silly thing obviously already has a Mustang motor, but it also has a Mustang dash, and so now it's going to be sporting a Mustang rear seat as well. Nice when things work out, isn't it? Here's Josh. Hi, Josh. Hi. Yeah, lots of fun stuff going on today. Well set dash bar. Okay, that wraps it up for today. The interior is back together enough to drive the car, and we should be able to go for a test rip here soon. Just gotta get on the lift, dial in the suspension, extend the brake lines, and after that we're pretty much ready for the track. So with a little bit of luck, I'll see you guys at Midvale.